Hi everyone, Ed here. I'm about to replace the cam sensor on this Buick, 2002 Buick with the 3800 engine. Car's been stalling, not idling right, and I'm not getting any check engine codes, but practically everything's been replaced in this car except for that, and I'm gonna replace it and just see how it runs and check the wiring and stuff like that, because I have had issues with the wiring, and these Buicks are kind of known for it. I've actually had to replace the control module harness right here, because if you actually tugged on it, the car would stall and stop. So I'm going to get into doing that and taking it apart. I've already started to take it apart. The only thing you really need is a 10mm socket, and you can remove everything. There's a nut right there, one right there, and the remnants of the bolt, which was all rusted out. I just pulled it right off. The other thing you can do too is you don't have to drain the radiator reservoir. Just put it over to the side and you'll have plenty of room to take a look at the sensor, and you have pretty much easy access. You don't even have to take the fan belt off. I know some people have said you had to take it off, but you really don't. So I've got it illuminated right here, and right there is where the 10mm bolt goes, and that is the connector right there with the tab. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to disconnect the connector and wiggle this sensor up and down until it comes out. And once it comes out, I'm going to replace it with this new sensor right here. Going to put some oil around the O-ring, and I'm also going to clean the orifice where this came out of and make sure that it's nice and clean and there's no debris going in there. Also too, I disconnected the battery just to make sure we didn't have any issues. So I'm going to try pausing this right now, and hopefully I'm not going to screw anything up. Okay, I'm back. I disconnected the connector. I took a look at it. I don't see any rust or anything green on it, so I think I'm good. I'm just probably going to spray some electronics cleaner on the contacts just to make sure everything's clean. And you can see the hole down here. See if I can get the camera down there. You can see the holes right there. So I'm just going to wipe that clean and make sure there's no debris in there, and then put the new sensor in there and put everything back together. Okay, I have the new sensor put in, connectors back on. You're supposed to torque it to 89 inch-pounds. I don't have that type of torque wrench. I only have it for like half-inch stuff. I don't have anything to torque it, so I'm just going by just my feel. The bolt itself came off rather easy, so I didn't really crank on it. Just snugged it up, and hopefully that's going to be okay and there's no issues here. And the rest of it is just putting the reservoir back on and firing up the car and hoping everything is all set. Hope everyone has a great day, and it is springtime finally. Thank God.